A driver at 67 in a 35. A back of 0.117%. 3 failed sobriety tests. What makes this stop legally bulletproof? And what could have unraveled it in court? Every decision here is governed by constitutional law that officers must know by instinct.
Hello.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Good. I'm with the Shrewsbury Police Department. Can I have your license, registration, insurance?
Yes.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I'm coming from a friend's house.
Friend's house?
Yes.
Where's your friend live?
She lives in Shrewsbury.
Okay. We're in Shrewsbury.
She lives in Asbury Park.
Okay. We're in Asbury Park.
Avenue.
Okay.
Yes, that's her address.
How long were you there for?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much were you having to drink over there?
4-7 copy, we're around here.
Huh?
Not much at all.
Not much? Okay. The reason I'm asking is, 1, you're going 67, and it's a 35 over here.
Okay.
2, you're swerving all over the place. 3, when you stopped, I don't know if you realized you're up on the curb. And 4, I can smell a very strong odor of alcohol coming from your breath. Plus, you're looking all over the place. So that's why I'm asking that question, alright? Just based on what I'm seeing, I don't feel comfortable with you driving until I run you through some tests. So I'm going to have you get out of the car and see if you're okay to drive.
Okay.
Let me just make sure I have all of your documents. Where do you live?
Homedale.
Homedale?
Yes.
What route do you take back to get back to Homedale?
I'm not sure.
That's sure. You're just following the GPS?
Yes.
Alright. How's your driving record?
Pretty clean.
Pretty clean? Okay.
Clean.
4542 County. 1011 New Jersey DL.
4542, go.
Manar Alcater. Can you run a 12 check on her, please? Did I say that right?
Yes.
Alright, good. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm going to come around and just walk you out of the car. You guys can slow down.
Forty-five, 43 County, myself, and 47 around with 42. Gracie, go for that.
Alright, man. You can step out of the car. Yeah. Good. And let's go, since it's raining, let's go where it's nice and dry, up on the sidewalk over there, underneath the tree. Yeah, that's not too bad. Alright, so I'm going to check your eyes, that's why I'm asking those questions. What I want you to do is follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, do not move your head at all. You understand?
Yes.
Very good. What color is the tip of this pen?
Black.
Perfect. Ready? Don't move your head at all. Just your eyes.
Okay.
See it? Try to just stare right at the tip of the pen. Just try not to move your head. Just use your eyes, okay? See?
Push 542.
Good.
Good. Manor Alcater is negative owner. Simple.
Good. Same thing. I'm just gonna go up. Okay. All right. Good. Do you have any? Okay. So what I want you to do is see this line right here. Stand right in that line. I want you to put your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe. Touching heel to toe like this. Arms on either side. Don't begin walking to the side. So put your right foot in front of your left, touching heel to toe. Arms down by your side. And you're going to stay in that position while I explain the rest of the test. Do not begin inside tight yourself. You understand? When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 shoulder toe steps, turning each one out loud like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. When you get to 9, keep your lead foot on the ground. Take a series of small steps to turn around, and then once again 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. When you're walking, look down at your feet. Make sure you turn your step out loud. Walking straight line heel to toe, and once you begin the test, do not stop until you complete it. You understand? You can begin.
1,
Try to keep your arms nice.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. For this test, you okay?
Yes.
Good. Relax until I tell you to begin. When I tell you to begin, you're going to pick up a leg of your choosing, either your right or your left. You're going to pick it up approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping it parallel to the ground, and both legs straight. It's going to look like this. Then your arms down by your side. Count 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going until I tell you to stop. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll tell you when to begin. You can begin.
Am I counting?
Yeah, I'm gonna
I'm so
do
sorry.
it. No problem. And you're gonna keep your arms on your side. Pick up your leg of your choosing, approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping both legs straight and your raised foot flat to the ground. Looking down at your raised foot, count 1001, 1002, 1003, and keep going until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
You can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003,
You stop. And then just one more time. Turn around to me. You're gonna turn it back. Go up to that one. 45.
45.
Like, can you just let me know? Yes, you got. Do you feel okay?
45, 46.
Here you go, a little more.
You can show 45, 42.
You can do a little more.
One email 41, 450. One female 41, 450 to the
Does that feel okay?
You can start at those location as well.
Good.
Thank you.
What do you have in your car that you need me to grab?
my phone.
Just your phone?
And
45, 47.
Your wallet? Okay. I'm gonna get both. Anything else? Okay.
Never mind.
Give me 1 second. Yep. Okay, you just have a seat right in there. Good. Do you have anything in your pockets at all? No. Actually, get out of the car. I'm just.
We have a 6-month officer, just a different fuel sir.
Copy, thank you. Anything else? Alright, you guys see you again. Good. I'll be right with you.
Berkhammer v. McCarty, 1,000. 984. Roadside questions require no Miranda warning. Terry v. Ohio, 1,000. 968. A stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion. Here. 4 independent probable cause bases. Eliminate any Fourth Amendment challenge. Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1,000. 977. Officers may order a driver out of any lawfully stopped vehicle without additional justification beyond the lawful stop itself. Nate's validated science, not officer judgment alone, then defines what happens next. 3 tests, 3 validation rates. HGN, 88% accuracy above 0.8% BSC. Walk and turn, 79%. One leg stand, 83%. Combined, they form the most defensible field evidence available without a laboratory instrument. Lesson for law enforcement. HGN clues must be narrated aloud during administration. Silent observation with no verbal record hands the defense an opening edge trial. Contemporaneous narration is not a courtesy. It is admissible evidence. Birchfield v. North Dakota, 2016. Warrantless breath testing is a lawful search incident to DWI arrest. N.J.S.A. 39454A removes the choice. Every licensed New Jersey driver has already consented. Refusal triggers independent mandatory penalties, separate from the underlying DWI charge. State v. Chun, 194 NJ, 54, 2008. The New Jersey Supreme Court authorized the alkotest as scientifically reliable. At 0.117% back, N.J.A 39.450 activates the enhanced first offense tier. 7 to 12 month suspension. Mandatory IDRC and ignition interlock upon restoration. State v. Dorguzzi, 334 NJ. Super, 530 AB. Div 2000. HGN is admissible without a per-case foundational hearing. Paired with a validated alkotest reading of 0.117%. This evidentiary record is nearly unassailable. Procedural precision at the roadside is what wins or loses the case in court. But one question this stop has not yet answered. Was the subject under 21? If so, N.J.S.A 39-5014 applies independently. Could missing HGN narration have invalidated the arrest? The law has answers. Watch to find out.